Welcome guys back to the channel. I have a special announcement, and that is I am officially sponsored by AI AutoWorks in Round Rock, Texas. Great company. Met up with the manager. His name's Carson. Great guy. We linked up and decided to do something that I've been wanting to do for a very long time, which was redo the interior of the car. As you know, my RT, I had just the basic cloth seats before. I said, you know what, it's time, and we made the change, and let me tell you guys, it came out amazing. The installer who did it, his name is Chris. Cool guy. I think he said he had like about 10 years of experience. Couldn't be more happy with it. So without further ado, let's cue the montage and show you how it came out. Again, if you look at the interior, guys, I mean, this kit's really nice. I mean, I think it's 60% vinyl, 40% leather. It looks really, really nice. I mean, if you look at, even the perforations in the middle of the seats with the, the kind of diamond kind of shapes in the middle, it came out really, really, really nice. I'm super happy with it. Stitching, everything. Kit's flawless. We also did wind up doing sort of an install video with it, so I will be posting that up pretty shortly. So if those of you wondering how to sort of do it yourself, I partnered with Chris on the install. Me and him just kind of tag teamed it one day, and then we just knocked it out. And he gives you guys some really good tips on just how to sort of, if you want to attempt to do this yourself, it is very possible. I think for me, it's just something that I want to go this route for the channel, just kind of show you guys how to do it by a professional. Again, it came out really, really nice. So I'm really happy with it. So just give you guys a bit more detail with it and just kind of see how it came out. It's cool, see? And then again, the custom embroidery on the headrest came out super nice. So, I had to get that logo on there. Didn't do the doors or the center console yet. I do have a couple of things in mind that I want to do. So we just want to do the seats first, and then the front bucket seats, and then the back seats, and then once I kind of decided what I want to do with the center console and doors, I'll be going back to them. So looking to do any kind of interior work, AI AutoWorks in Round Rock, Texas, great place to be at. Talk to Carson, really cool dude. He'll take care of you. Just tell him I sent you, right? But that's it for today's video. And again, guys, I will be posting up the install video shortly. So I appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and we will see you on the next one.